Welcome to Nellore, Andhra Pradesh, home to India's thriving aquaculture industry. Aquaculture farming faces challenges, labor-intensive practices, chemical waste, and reduced efficiency. Piefly Aerospace introduces drone-based sanitizer spraying, transforming aquaculture management. Our drone services reduces labor cost by 75%, saves time by 90%, and enhances efficiency. With 13,406 hectares of aqua zones in Nellore, our technology has vast potential for growth. Partner with Piefly Aerospace to revolutionize your aquaculture practices.